What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Episode 11, I think it is now. Got kind of a weird project, one that I've never done and I can't imagine I'll do a lot of, but got some parts from a Dance Dance Revolution game. Insert ridiculous clip of people dancing on this nonsense right here. We're going to knock this out right now. It's just going gloss black. It's got a bunch of layers of paint on it. A couple layers of red, some white, some blue. So we'll throw that in the blasting cabinet and get it cleaned up. Alright, got these bars all blasted. Just gonna blow them off now. I'm gonna start throwing some color on them. Don't gotta outgas them, these are steel, so they don't have to go through the same outgassing process that some of the other stuff does. Alright, got the bars in the oven for the Dance Dance Revolution game, and now we have some exhaust to do. Get it blasted right now. Got that thing all blasted, it's hung up, blown off. Once again, don't need to outgas it. It's stainless steel, so it doesn't need outgassing at all. Gonna throw, I think the base coat of this one is black. I have to go check again, but I think it's just black with a red sparkle on this one. Alright, got this black to flow out. I'm going to be throwing a modified version of Super Red Sparkle on this next. I take 25% Super Red Sparkle and 75% Clear Vision, which is just a clear. It ends up thinning out the red sparkle. Super Red Sparkle, I actually really love the sparkle on it, but the flake itself, there's just way too much of it. So I thin it way out. I use it all the time for stuff. We'll get that poured up right now and sprayed and throw it in the oven. Alright, got the exhaust tip out. You guys probably just saw before and after the Dance Dance Revolution bars. Only got to do those in gloss black. I don't get to pick the colors every time, so it's what the customer wanted. Like, subscribe, comment. Got recorded some other stuff today. That'll be in videos over the next couple days, a couple like long-term projects. So got a BBS RS build and another 3-piece wheel build. So expect to see those here shortly, and we'll see you next time.